Just like, how a baby would actually make this ruckus, crying and everything just to get the parents' attention, a lot of other people do it as well. But they don't cry. Instead, some people do, but other people, what they try to do is, they taunt you. They try to, make some kind of an emotional blackmail. Several other steps they will do so that they can get your attention, and then finally they can get what they want. There is this particular, woman who actually had a child, and this child always used to cry. So it used to cry like crazily wherever she took him out. It was a boy baby. Wherever she took him out, he used to always cry. And suddenly what she did, see, end of the day, what are they seeking? Attention. Okay. She suddenly, when the baby started crying, she just thought to herself, and then she just behaved like she's not able to hear him. The boy is crying, but she kept on behaving like she cannot even hear him. And the boy, as he was crying, he was demanding stuff. He was like, as crying, he is also like, get me that, get me this, all this stuff he is telling. So she was like, I cannot hear you, I cannot hear you. She kept telling that I cannot hear you. This is also something very similar with dog training. We don't tell the dog what to do. We just reward the dog when it does something right. For example, if you want the dog to shake your hand, you don't just take its hand. Instead, you just put your hand forward and you just hope that it is going to give it to you. It will try everything so that you can give the dog treat. Once you give the treat, after it actually puts his paw on your hand, only then it will realize, okay, if I do, whenever my master does, extends a hand, I am going to give my paw, then he will give me a treat. Same thing happened with the baby. Okay, if I am crying, she is not able to hear and I will not get what I want. She says I have to relax and only then she is able to listen to me. After he actually toned down his crying, he sat over there and then he told that I want this. She was like, oh, okay, that's what you want. Okay, I'll get you that. Then she started doing this. Over a period of time, the baby he totally stopped crying. He totally stopped it. So that is a point with attention. People try to, do a lot of different actions around you to get some attention. So what I tell you is that make sure that they have a right kind of an action to get your attention. Not these unnecessary taunts or not any kind of, like crying, any kind of drama shouldn't be involved. ಏನೋ ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಬೇರೆ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡು, ಬೇರೆ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಂತೆ.
ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು.
Bharat has been working out quite regularly and doesn't he seem a little buffed up? He does actually. Dude, how come you got married and now again you're trying to impress her?
No, he's trying to impress others now. That's the point. Shashank camera ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋಂಗೆ.
ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಂದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸಲು ಕತೆ ಸೇರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಭರತ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
He calls himself an atheist. Chandan, repeat.
The blue color one box, sir.
Doodh peda 500 grams. And mixed to 2 boxes. 250 grams to 2 boxes. Bye-bye.
3 hours later.
It was basically a very long discussion that I had with one of my financial executives. So he was here to discuss the balance sheet and several other stuff that was happening. He just left and it's already 3:45. I still haven't had lunch. So I'm just going to give all the sweets to the team members and then, oh, why am I still wearing it? And then I'll have to go for lunch. Let's go and give it to them. Happy Ayush Puja.
Thank you.
Happy Ayush Puja.
Thank you.
Happy Ayush Puja, brother.
Thank you. Okay, actually.
Thank you.
Have fun.
We also need to give one to the owner, which is basically my mom. So I'm just gonna go take one and give it to her. Happy Ayush Puja. I had a decent enough sleep. Need to go.
ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶವು ಇಂದು ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿತು. ನಾನು, ನನ್ನ ಪತ್ನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಪರಿವಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಮಸ್ತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಧನ್ಯವಾದವು. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ತಮಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವ ಸೇವೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂದು ಶಿರಸಾವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿದರು. ಹಿಮವಂತನ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಭಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಂದ ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನರಾದರು. ತಾವು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಹಿಮಾಲಯ, ನೀನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ. ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕಾರಣವಿಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಜಗನ್ಮಾತೆಯಾದ ಅಂಬಾದೇವಿಯು ದಕ್ಷನ ಪುತ್ರಿಯಾದ ಸತಿಯ ಅವತಾರವನ್ನೆತ್ತಿರುವಳು. ಅನಂತರ ರುದ್ರನ ಪತ್ನಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ
ಕರ್ಪೂರದ ಗೊಂಬೆ ನಾನು
ಬಾಬಾ